Oh, you did good. Oh, you did good.
I gotta have it tonight. Got to have it,
Here he come, y'all. Here he come. This boy is wildin' out, man. Chevy Evans and his stunt boys. Woo! These boys are wild. Look at those jumps. They can do it all, man. Yeah. This boy is wildin', funky, jumping, flipping, doing the big dog roll. Yeah.
yeah, boy. I got to have that sex. Elevator sex, girl, it's so good to me. I like to go up and down and let everybody. Yeah, boy.
Now here he is, y'all, coming down the hill. Chevy Evans, Hollywood stuntman. He's coming down the hill at a high speed, and he's gonna make this jump, y'all. He is going to make it in slow motion, and I think this jump covers 250 yards. Yeah, check it out. Wow, he made it, y'all. Yeah, you seen him in Pool Party Boys when he jumped through hoops, and this boy can round up wild hogs in the woods with his bike. He can do it all, man, from the backwoods of Texas. Here he come, y'all. Here he come. This boy is wildin' out, man. Chevy Evans and his stunt boys. These boys are wild. Look at those jumps. They can do it all, man. Yeah. This boy is wild. Funky, jumping, flipping, doing the big dog roll. Yeah.
I'll get down on my knees. Give it to me, baby. Dominate me, baby. Control me, baby.
Woo! Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching another great Hollywood 2000 production. Now I got to show you the augmented reality glasses. Yeah. Man, I feel so good about these glasses. I feel good. I knew that I would. I feel nice. Like sugar and spice. Yeah, so good. So good. And I found these 3D glasses. Yeah! That's how these glasses make me feel, y'all. Y'all, I'm about to bust with excitement. I'm about to pop, man, because these augmented reality glasses is what I've been waiting for years. They already out. And my 4 3D pop-out documentaries, they're going to showcase amazingly good on these glasses, because you will see the pop-out effects that I did years ago that will come out on these glasses. Imagine a 200-inch screen floating out in front of you. And you can move it anywhere you want to, carry it anywhere you want to, because these small phones are nothing but a handheld computer, but the screen is too small. We watch all these videos and movies and everything else we do on our phones, so now we got to have a big screen to really see it the way it's supposed to be seen. And that's what these VR glasses will do. They will let you see it on a large screen and interact with it. And the VR camera, check it out. This will allow you to shoot virtual reality videos anywhere you go. And you can upload it to the internet. You can even upload some to my Google Drive, and I'll edit it and put it on there and give you, rights to it. We share the rights and the whole thing. So that's so cool, man. You can work with producers like that. So this is amazing, man. For a small price, you can get into this technology and take pictures, but these VR pictures are going to be like you're really there in that world. And that's what's so amazing about this technology. And it doesn't take much to get into it, and it'll last forever. So Y'all check out the links in the description for all these products, man. And if you buy something, let me know and I'll help you set it up, work with it, and show you some stuff about editing. And we can have fun, and the whole world will see this stuff when we upload it and share it on Facebook and YouTube, man. And there's possibly some money making opportunities in this stuff too. So, hey, I'm excited. Like crazy. Yeah, talk about the water speakers. They're real cool. You got this blue light or water that syncs with the music and it shoots up your wall and just shows its amazing colors. And these are Bluetooth speakers. You can pair them with your phone. All your music that's playing on your phone, you could just point your phone at the speakers and pair them, and they'll start playing on the speakers. And these speakers are so cool. They sound good. They look good. They are amazing. Get your water speakers on Amazon. You see the links in the video. You know where to get it. Hook it up. Get it for Christmas, man. Get it for birthdays. Get it for the holidays. Yeah. And you know, we got some of the other amazing products that we're going to show you. The levitating globe, the HD tuner, and the solar kits. We got it all on here, so you can check it out in the links. Now this is the levitating globe, a beautiful globe that just floats in the air. And it's a map of the whole world, and it gives off a beautiful LED light, and you could just watch it floating. This is amazing, man. This is a cool little thing that you can buy for a gift for somebody or keep it for yourself. And the digital tuners that you can connect to your computer, PC, or desktop and get free over-the-air channels in your area from an indoor antenna or outdoor antenna. Cool tech stuff, man. Now, this is a cool little solar system. It has 4 LED hanging lights, and you can charge up your phone and play a radio, and during emergencies you will have backup power. And this gets you into solar, learning about solar for a real low price to start with this little system. A lot of people think this is just a toy, but no, this system is very powerful for the price. And like I said, it gets you into solar and you'll start learning a lot about it. And you can actually use these lights and stuff and, you know, not use your other lights for a while. So I think everybody needs this little system. So check it out on Amazon and think about it, because we all need backup power. Okay, this is some of the clothes that I designed. This is some pants that I designed, and it's real cool. And this is the power symbol shirt and skirts that I designed. You got them for men and women. And this is the summer exotic top. So I got a lot of cool designs on Amazon and on the Hollywood 2000 store. So you should check out some of these cool designs. And if you like something, go ahead and buy it and sport it. And send us a picture with you wearing it so we can post it, man, on our Facebook page. And this right here is some phone cases that I designed. So cool. Yeah, man, it's all good. Okay, thanks for watching this video. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just go there and hit the notification bell to get the notification for all the new videos that we upload in the future. And you will be the first one to see those videos. And we really appreciate your support. And make sure you check out all the links in the descriptions of the products we have in this video. So, cool. Thanks for watching.
Hollywood2000.com.
Hollywood.
Hollywood 2000. Yeah.
cool. Yeah. So I will talk to y'all later. I'm out.